Hey guys, what's up? Welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, I'm Shania, and today's video is going to be a little makeup tutorial on this really, I don't know what to call it, like smoky eye. It's like grungy and like dark smoky situation. And then I showed you guys how I applied my wig, because you guys always ask me how I apply my wigs and everything. It's honestly really easy. I mean, it's not really easy, but I don't do the most. I just literally do two things. But yeah, if you guys want to know how to get this look, then just keep on watching. I have filmed this sort of video a few times, but I just was not happy with the footage. So hopefully everything goes well today, so I can finally upload a video for you guys. And now I'm just gonna show you guys how I apply my wig, because I always get this question. Even though there's literally so many videos on YouTube on how to lay wigs, I'm not an expert or a pro or anything. I just put it on and hope for the best. So I like to use my Got2b blasting freeze spray. This stuff will literally have your wig laid within 5 minutes. I'm not even joking, not even kidding. Stop what you're doing with that other shit, with that other Got2b, that one you have to squeeze out and use with your hands or something. No, use the spray, because it's literally so easy. You don't even have to like move your wig back and put it on your head like this. You can literally place the wig on your head like that. This is what I do. And then I literally just glue it. Like, I spray it on the lace directly where I want it to go. Literally like that. And of course, I just like, if anything else drips down, I'll just move it. But literally all I do is that. And then I blow dry it on cool. So I just take whatever edges I want out, whatever pieces of hair I want out, and then the rest I stick it behind my ear so that I can glue it on right. So I spray it really close so it doesn't get everywhere. Now it's glued on. I need to do my edges. I'm not really sure how I want to style it. Like, I don't know if I just want to keep my middle part, or should I just throw it to the side or something. I don't know. But for right now, I'm just gonna lay my edges real quick. So I like to use this, doesn't have a name, it's called foam. I like to use this to lay my edges, because using like Got2b or anything just makes the edges really rough and hard, so I don't like using that. Okay, so I'm like doing a smoky eye today. I have not done a smoky eye in so freaking long, so that's what we're gonna do. Okay, so, oh, this is what I'm gonna use. Okay, so I wanted to try out this new, oh, it's so tiny. Is it supposed to be the small? I didn't even know it was gonna be this small. I got this new Shake Vegan Eyeshadow Primer from Kat Von D. It's so tiny. Shake to mix, press. Oh, it's like a dropper. Okay. Blend, then apply on both lids. Okay, so I'm gonna press it on the back of my hand. That's what I'm gonna do. Okay, so I already shook it. So I'm gonna, okay, it says 1 drop is all I need. And 1 drop came out. Literally 1 drop. Ooh. I'm gonna do more than 1 drop since it like, okay, and it says mix, and I'm mixing on the back of my hand. Now I'm gonna apply it on my lid. This is very strange. It's like wet. I'm gonna be taking this Rust palette from Melt Cosmetics. I really, really love this palette. It's so bomb. I've gotten a few things in PR from them, like a few weeks ago, like 2 weeks ago. And girl, the eyeshadow's fire. So I'm just going to, what am I gonna do? I'm gonna pick up the shade Mar. No, I'm not. I'm gonna pick up the shade Rot, which is this dark, dark brown color. And I'm gonna pop that all over my lid. Wait. Why is this literally showing up so good? Wait, what? I'm confused. Y'all see that? It's very dark. It looks, I know I like literally applied this so crazy, but it's fine. I'll blend it out. But this is what the eyeshadow is looking like on top of that primer. And it looks really good, like, I'm not gonna lie. I just wanna see how the eyeshadow wears though throughout the day, low key, cause like I hope it doesn't get oily, because my eyelids tend to get really oily, so that's the only problem I may face with this, but I don't really know. I don't know how this is, I don't know how this is gonna work. I'm scared, love, I'm scared. So now I'm gonna take the shade Rust, which is this like warm brown, and I'm gonna pop that in my crease just to blend this out. I'm gonna take this Urban Decay Moon Dust eyeshadow in the shade Lithium, and this is like litty, real litty. Look at it. It's so pretty. Period. I'm gonna take the shade, I'm just gonna take a black eyeshadow. I'm just gonna smoke out the outer third of my eye here. Lashes today, I'm gonna take these Blown Away lashes. Oh, they look so crazy in the box. But these are from Bold Face Makeup. I'll leave the link down below for you guys to check them out. I'm gonna pop them on off camera, and then I'll be right back to finish the face. We're back, and I took my scarf off because it was literally taking away all types of circulation from my fucking head. Anyways, now it's time to do the face makeup, my favorite part of every routine I do. I'm gonna take this Makeup Revolution primer. It's literally so bomb. It's been my favorite for like a while now. I have like a raging pimple on my face, so don't drag me. It's really been irritating me. I don't know what's been going on, but it's just really not been that girl lately. That's like one of the few reasons why I haven't filmed anything, because like my skin has just looked so bad and like but I haven't worn any makeup in like since my birthday. I haven't worn makeup in like maybe like a week and a half now, so I've kind of like gave my skin a break. But even giving my skin a break, I've still been breaking out, so I don't really know what's going on. I'm gonna take the Benefit Cakeless Blowing Concealer. This is like my #1 step, is to color correct, because I have a lot of like acne scars and like hyperpigmentation around my mouth and just like in general. So doing some color correcting really helps me get a really flawless base. So I just take this over any spots where I have acne scars. Now that I have my color corrector on, I go in with this waterproof setting powder from Urban Decay. It's literally so bomb. I just take a really big fluffy brush with this, and I just pat it all over the places where I applied that concealer. You guys, it's literally the best ever. I'm gonna take my Fenty Beauty foundation in the shade 445. Now for concealer, I'm just gonna, what am I gonna use? Hold on, 1 second. Okay, for concealer, I'm gonna take this Urban Decay Stay Naked concealer that I love using. You guys already know that. Now I'm just gonna blend that out. I like to use a brush to blend out my products under my eyes because I just feel like it just looks better. So I go with my foundation brush first. And now I'm gonna take my Maybelline Fit Me powder. Okay, now I'm gonna do some bronzing. I'm gonna take my Hoola Toasted from Benefit. For blush, I'm just going to take this Oh So Snatched blush from Dare to Be Different, or from H&B Cosmetics. Okay, so for the lower lash line, I'm going to apply some black liner. I'm going to take this Melt Cosmetics eyeliner pencil in the shade Blindfold. It's just black. I'm going to take my Maybelline gel liner, the brown one, and I'm just going to line my lips. I'm going to take this Melt Ultra Matte Lipstick in the shade 7110. This one is 710. And this one is so bomb. It's like this mustardy color. Love it. It's like a mustardy orange vibe. I'm gonna take this Alamar Cosmetics gloss in the shade Dolce. Pop that in the center. I'm gonna go in with this Dominique Cosmetics gloss in the shade Peach Tea. Okay guys, so this is the finished look. I hope you guys enjoyed. I went with a more like slicked back hairstyle because I felt like that looks a little bit better with like this grungy vibe we have going on. I really love this look. It's really cute. Wow, I haven't filmed in so long. I just don't even know what to say anymore. But yeah, if you guys enjoyed today's video, don't forget to subscribe, hit that like button, share it, comment, I don't know, do whatever you want. You guys can follow me on Twitter and Instagram, all at Makeup by Shania. I'll have all the products that I used in this video in the description box down below for you guys to check out, and I'll see you guys in the next video.